There are so many RC airplanes to try, and what's rewarding about having something really simple like this FMS Super EZ, it's an RC airplane that is easy to put together, it's easy to fly, and I think I haven't really crashed this one or done anything wrong with it. But I suppose if you do something stupid and you crash it, I think it will be really easy to repair it also. It's a foam RC airplane. It's just uncomplicated. I mean, I just want to share another flight on this one. So let's head outside and fly this FMS Super EZ. This is an easy and well-controlled RC airplane. I have increased aileron authority to 120% on mine just to give it more aileron authority. But it's a sweet bird to fly. I really like the stripes underneath the wing. I think it's visible in the sky with the choose of colors. It doesn't feature a really fast roll, but rather you can make really tight turns. And I mean, if you want to have like a easygoing RC airplane, this is one of those easier going RC airplanes. And as it is so fairly inexpensive, uncomplicated, you don't have to worry about you actually do have kind of a rough landings or maybe even a crash or two. A bit of glue, a bit of carbon fiber rod, and most foam RC airplanes are back in the air like really quick after having a severe crash. So I'm flying with the gyro from Reflex then, but I'm having like the optimized mode. So you have 3 positions, you have off, you have like the optimized mode where it counteracts wind gusts and such, and then you have the stabilized mode where it's auto leveling and with limited bank angles. So I'm not using that mode, just the optimized mode, and then you can do also kind of aerobatics, and you're not limited in how to control this Super EZ. I'm doing this quite short flight today.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Usually it's quite easy to get down also. Even if it does bounce a bit, it's not a fragile RC airplane. It has to be careful not to nose over on grass. It's a little bit squirrely also on the tail wheel. So yeah, one more try then. Even though I think there are problems flying from a grass field, I enjoy to fly from them more than from pavement, because I think they are kinder to the RC airplane in many ways. But of course, I mean, a thing like tricycle gear RC airplanes, they are trickier to do, of course, and those don't have the landing gears forward enough. The chance are you will nose over, and it's the case with this Super EZ as well. Time to get this one down. I'm going to try to make this as smooth as possible. Some have pretty long landing strip, and I'm down. As this one is so easy, of course I have to compare it to similar sized RC airplane. So at first I have to say that if you reach like this wingspan, which is about 1.2 meter, that's a really great size because it makes the RC airplane visible in the sky, and they are usually really well controlled. So I mean 1.2 meter is a great size. And in the 1.2 meter size class you actually have something like the Apprentice S2 from Hobby Zone. I think the Apprentice is just an excellent beginner RC airplane, but this one is more fun to fly. You also have the Aero Scout S2, which is an interesting and also really nicely beginner RC airplane. But I think the Aero Scout, you really have to push the throttle to 100% in order for it to be have, I mean, the speed performance that I would like to have out of an RC airplane. So I mean, and it does sound really harsh, that prop, also that push prop. And then on the other hand, you also have like the FMS Ranger 1.2 meter wingspan RC airplane, and they are really simple how they are put together. I think the Ranger is much more fun to fly, and I think it's just as easy as this one. And then you of course have a bunch of other planes like the FMS Kingfisher, for instance. It's a little bit larger wingspan, like 1.4 meter, but it's also a really sweet flying RC airplane. And in general, I think if you have like these high wing trainer style like RC airplanes from FMS, they are just super great. I mean, in features and I think they also try to include a gyro in every RC airplane. So with like a PMP version with a gyro, you can put in any simple receiver really. And in this one, I have an orange RX receiver, so they are really inexpensive. They don't have any really, you know, great features, but they are a good working receiver, and I haven't had any problems with them. So I mean, I think this is certainly one of those, you know, great easy beginner RC airplanes you can choose from in this FMS Super EZ.